Hello guys, my name is Abhinav and today we will be studying NIST model. So let's get started. The United States government is a major consumer of computer services and therefore the major user cloud in computer networking. So the rules are governed by US government. So what happens is that the US National Institute of Standards and Technologies, that is abbreviation of NIST. Number one, background. The goal is to accelerate the federal government's adoption of secure and effective cloud computing to reduce cost and improve services. NIST working groups. First one is the cloud computing target business use cases, cloud computing reference architecture and taxonomy, cloud computing standards roadmap, cloud computing SAJACC, that is standard acceleration to jumpstart the adoption of cloud computing. And the fifth one is cloud computing securities. So these are working groups. Number two is objective, software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. So here we have three services. We will discuss it later. Now NIST has a set of working definitions that separates the cloud computing into service models and deployment models. So here you can see in the image service model and deployment model. We will discuss all three one by one. Let's first discuss some essential characteristics. So those are on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, measured service, rapid elasticity. On-demand self-service, user provision capabilities as needed or automatically without human interaction by a service provider. Broad network access, standard network access mechanism, promote location independent, used by diverse platforms such as smartphones. Resource pooling, the service provider hosts compute, network, and storage resources in a model that supports multi tenancy with dynamic assignment and reassignment of resources according to the demand. In rapid elasticity, a rapid scale out and scale back of resources. From the user's point of view, there are unlimited resources that are paid for based on the quantities actually consumed. Measured service. Resources are optimized and controlled with a metering capability, with transparent reports on consumption shared with the user. Essential characteristics of cloud service models. Regardless of type of cloud deployment model used, a cloud solution needs to deliver value based on one of three recognized service models: infrastructure, platform, or software as a service. So, the first model is infrastructure as a service. In this model, the user needs to assemble and maintain the cloud hosted infrastructure components such as virtual machine, storage pools, and firewalls, sometimes called the cloud fabric. Amazon Web Service is a leading provider of this model today. Now, the intermediate model, platform as a service model. Let's user deploy their application on a cloud provider platform without managing the infrastructure. In the third model, software as a service model, the user just consumes software, just as running a web mail client. Anyone using Google's Gmail or Microsoft's Hotmail can understand this model. So, we have already discussed about service model and deployment model. Sorry, service model and characteristics, essential characteristics. Now, there are four deployment models. You just need to understand this diagram. The first one is public cloud model, private cloud model, second and third is hybrid cloud model, and the last one is community cloud model. Public cloud is a type of cloud hosting that allows the accessibility of systems and its service to its clients easily. Some of the example of those companies which provide public cloud facilities are IBM, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, etc. Private cloud model, also termed as internal cloud, which allows the accessibility of systems and service within a specific boundary or organization. Hybrid cloud model is another cloud computing type which is integrated. That is, it can be a combination of two or more cloud servers, that is, private, public, or community combined as one architecture, but remain individual entities. Non critical tasks such as development and test workloads can be done using public cloud, whereas critical tasks such that are sensitive, such as organization data handling, are done using a private cloud. Community cloud model is another type of cloud computing in which the setup of cloud is shared manually among different organizations that belong to same community or area. Example of such community is where organization are there belong along with the financial institution. So just need to understand this diagram: development model, service models, essential characteristics that satisfy the NIST model. Thank you.